Hi everybody, and you may be looking at this going, what in the world is that? That is a flower open cup that we're going to be experimenting with today. I picked it up off of the internet and went, hey, that ought to be fun. And so today we're going to be doing an open cup pour with this cup, and we're going to be doing it in a rainbow, which I don't usually do rainbows, but we're going to be doing it as a neon rainbow, which is a little bit different. So we're doing Roy G. Biv as a neon rainbow, and we're going to see how it works as an open cup. We're working on a 10 by 10 canvas that has already been taped and has feet placed in our pour box, and we're going to begin. And I'm going to just show you a couple of colors that we're going to be using, and one of them is this fluorescent pink. It's a newer color that I'm working with, and I'm like, let's go for a little bit of psychedelic today and a little bit of rainbow. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with our plain white Liquitex Basics titanium white Floetrol and water in the middle. We need a base. And all of the colors that I'll be using will be in the description below, so just check it out. Okay, so we have our open cup on top of our base, and we are going to start with Roy. So this ought to be fun. We're going to go for this red. This is not a primary red, this is a Pyrrole Red. So we are going to just start by just putting some in each one of our flower petals. And I was going to skip, and then I was afraid, hey, I start skipping, I won't know which ones I put it in. Hopefully we won't have that problem. Okay, that is our open cup flower pour. It's kind of cool what you can find on the internet to experiment when you're pour painting. Now, what happened to our psychedelic rainbow? I can actually tell you, I really wasn't thinking through this when I was doing this one. I was just so excited about trying something new that I forgot I used this color and my orange. Pyrrole Red is very light in specific gravity because pigments all have specific gravities. Well, the red actually floated on top of my other colors. My darker colors, my white, which has a very high specific gravity, and so therefore we got mainly red, yellow, and orange as our primary colors, and the rainbow idea just went out the window. But that's okay, it's all in good fun. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye.